Hi class. It's November 28th, very early in the morning, on a very cold morning. As I said, I was having trouble with my camera because I had too much data loaded in there because, as you know, we've done very many films. I want to talk another second about catalytic hydrogenation because of time constraints. This is actually one of my favorite things to talk about, so I hate to talk about it on a video, but I'm going to do it. But, one of the things I want you to do is when you go home or when you're buying food, maybe I'll bring some food in that has this property. But you'll notice that the cake box or it's usually like a brand name. I'm not going to bring up any brand names on here. But cake box of some pre-made cookies or something like that. And if you look at the oil they use, it'll say partially hydrogenated, for example, canola oil. I was trying to come up with a good name for an oil. Now, this would be an example of an oil very, very crudely drawn, but this is a fat or an oil. An oil is just a fat that's a liquid at room temperature. And what a fat is a mono, di, or triester, and you should review your functional groups. Oops, this is not an ester. I need a carbonyl there. Triester of glycerol. And yes, I think I need to review my functional groups because I have things backwards here. So I'm going to change this a little bit. Okay. So this is a triester. That's an ester, and this is an ester of glycerol. Now this isn't a typical chain you'd find in a natural fat because it's a little bit on the short side and it has a lot of unsaturation. But one of the things we pride ourselves on is polyunsaturated fats because what we know is that